Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Miriam from the new Disney movie Turning Red. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that is a big help to the channel and love when it happens. Alright, so to start drawing Miriam, I'm going to start with her eyes. So I'm going to start with a shape like this, like an upside down U, and I'm going to thicken that up a little tiny bit. Okay, and then we can draw a little line like that underneath, and we can do a circle inside, and inside that we're going to do another circle and another one, and then a circle in behind those two. And I'm going to color that one in kind of dark. And I'm also going to give a couple little eyelashes, but nothing big, just 4. Why not 4? Okay, so a little ways away, I'm going to do the other eye. So we're going to do kind of the same thing that we just did. So that same shape and same bottom shape, and we're just going to try our best to kind of match up the sizes. We don't want one eye way bigger than the other, but it's okay, they don't have to be totally matching. Alright, so I'm going to do my circle right here, and another one, and then the one that kind of goes in behind those. I'm going to kind of thicken up this one up top, this top line. And I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, 4 little eyelashes. And now we can kind of work on a nose. So I'm going to sketch downward and curve on in, and then kind of start to come up a little bit. She's got kind of a long nose. I'm going to make a little curve down like that and darken it for a little nostril. And then I'm coming upward past that nostril like that. And we can kind of lightly sketch upwards a little bit. Now right here, I'm going to make a little small bump for the other nostril area and kind of darken in that spot there. And now she also needs a smile. So we're going to do a shape like this. I know right now it looks pretty silly, but it'll all come together in the end. And it's kind of like the shape of a jelly bean right now, like that. That's very jelly bean shaped. Okay, so now I'm going to make a line like this, kind of following what we just did. And I'm going to do a shape like that, following the bottom part. So that's top and bottom lips. And now we need teeth. And the teeth are pretty rounded. So I'm going to do a tooth like that. Now it looks super silly. But we're gonna keep on powering through. 1, 2, 3 teeth. Do another little one right there, and of course some more on this side, like that. And I'm gonna put a few on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And Miriam has braces. So to do braces, I'm just going to do like a little square on each tooth. Just a little square kind of in the middle of each tooth. And we can't really see them on the bottom teeth, but that's okay. And then I'm going to connect all these little squares with a line. Okay, so now we got braces. And we need eyebrows. So just above the eye, I'm gonna make a shape like that. I'm gonna do the same over here. All right, so now I'm gonna work over right here and kind of come on down the side of the face. And she's got a pretty round face. And it's kind of long too. So we're carefully sketching and working our way up. And now Miriam has lots of kind of wavy hair, but it's also kind of put back into braids. So I'm doing just a few bits of wavy hair kind of here. That's going to be a little bit in front of her ear. All right, so I'm going to put an ear right here. And I'm going to do a circle here. She's got an earring. And I'm going to do another little curve here. Those inside ear lines. And let's see, what are we going to do next? I'm going to work on some more hair. So doing a few more little wavy bits here. And right here, she kind of parts her hair on the side. So I'm going to start to do some waves here, kind of coming out in front of her face, kind of on the forehead. Just all kinds of little waves. And we can bring some bits of hair down on this side of her face a little bit. And we can see a little bit of her other ear, and we can put another circle there for the other earring. And let's make this bit of hair a little bit thicker. Make it a little bit fuller. All right, and I'm gonna put a bit more hair right there. And I'm going to put one of her pigtails right here, one of the braided pigtails. So I'm going to do a line like that and connect it. And then I'm going to do another one like that. And another one, but this one's a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to make a little hair elastic. And right here is the bottom of the braid. So whatever hair is left. And we can kind of put in some strands here. And they can be a little bit wavy. But we don't need to put the strands right here because that's the hair elastic. Okay, so now let's do a neck. I'm gonna sketch down. And curve like that. And she wears like a little choker necklace. So I'm going to do a little circle here. And we got like a string that goes around her neck. Like that. And she also wears a hat. So let's work on the hat. So I'm going to do a line like this, kind of curving around her head. And top of her hat kind of folds down a little bit. So I did that little fold, and then I did another little line, and it came on in over by the ear. All right, so now let's do the plaid shirt she wears. So I'm coming on down here and then bringing that way down. And now we're going to do a line right there, bring it inward because this is the collar of her shirt. And we can go downward a little bit for the shoulder and come on down. And on this side, it also needs a little collar, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult to see it because the hair is covering it. So we can just do a little line right there. And then bring that shirt line down. And I'm going to do another little curve here following the neck hole. And I'm going to do some buttons here on this side. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. And I'm going to do a fold here for her shirt. Just a little way that the fabric is working. And right here we're going to work on the other shoulder. Bring it down a bit. And give that fabric another little fold. And I'm going to give her another little bit of hair kind of poking out here, so her other like pigtail is kind of in behind her shoulder. And the plaid, she's wearing a green plaid shirt, so I'm going to do a line there and a line going down there, another one here, another one there, and I'm going to go across and across again and across again and a line there and a line there and bring it on down. And I'm going to do the same over on this side. So now our sketch is done and I'm going to start to color. All right, everyone, we are finished our picture. So thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.